The old fella, he was saying he's been living here for years, and he said basically it's an old woodlands buried in the sand from years ago. Apparently all the trees are growing out of the ground, out of the sand. But we've got the cannons over here, look at these. So we're on the Suffolk coast in a place called Kessingland, and we're by the beach, beautiful white sands. Down that way is Lowestoft, and down that way is Southwold. It's about 19 degrees at the moment. It's about 6:30 in the evening. How beautiful is this? Well, I don't know where it's taking us. So apparently we can't get access to the beach down here. We can from that direction, we have to go back up there. But we've just literally seen this. Beautiful old church. Old derelict church. See if we can find some dates. When it was built. Well, I can't find any information of how old the actual place is. Let's go and have a look on some gravestones, see if we can find any. I think they call this the dead centre of town. Just trying to look for a date. Can't see any dates. Mary, beloved wife of Henry Spore, who departed this life October 20th, 1888. 1895, July 30th, in the 32 years of her age. That's no age, is it? But back then I suppose it was. Yeah. Yeah. So we've just been chatting with some old folk that live local, and we've parked up over here, and there's access to the beach down here. So we're gonna go down to the beach. The old fella, he was saying he's been living here for years, and he said basically it's an old woodlands buried in the sand from years ago. Apparently all the trees are growing out of the ground, out of the sand. So this is where we're going. So we're here, and we're going to have a trail down to there. Dangerous cliffs, no access to beach. Southwold. Okay, let's go down. Pigs. Pig farm. Well, this is pretty random. A pig farm. Right by the beach. So here we are at the beach. I can't see any trees sticking out of the ground. Oh, it's lovely on my feet. It's just so cool and refreshing. So Fig's knackered, he keeps laying down, he's tired. We're going to head back to the Airbnb now, so we'll see you there. Saying hello to all the dogs today.